What are you doing? You gotta put the tab down. Now lift the plow up. Not too much. Now drop it and go again more to the right though. Yeah, you gotta go up, shift up. No. It's a little hard, isn't it? Yeah, so drop the foot. Yeah, so put the plow down. Now stick it in first. Go more to the right, you know what I mean? After you get past the metal thing, go to the right. You're ready to rock it, dude. Go ahead. That's good. Lift the plow up. Okay. Turn it more this way so you can go up that way. Go to, yeah, that's because the weight from the plow makes it hard. See how you brought snow with you? Okay, straighten out. Okay. Okay. It has a little bit of brake on the left, but don't worry about that. You're going slow anyways. It has a little bit. Don't worry about it. Drop the plow. Lift the plow. Huh? Go again on the right side more. Yeah, because you brought some with you. Drop it. That's probably good. Back it up, like right here, and push this end in. You know what I mean? Don't hit the, yeah, keep going back a little bit more. Okay, you're good. Now just push that V in. right there. You might have to back up and go a little bit to the left. There might be a block of wood right there. Okay, yep. Now just be on the more left of it. No, it's just a little bit different when you plow. It's just a harder shift and all that stuff. Yep. Yeah, it's hard to go in neutral. It's hard, you can't go anywhere in neutral though. Yeah, I know. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. See if you can keep pushing right to the woods. Know what I mean? Go right straight to the woods if you can. Drop it some. Other way. Yep. Oh! That's a hard bump. There must be ice right there. Yeah. Alright, lift it and come back. Woo!